Silo. I'm on the egg. Cover me.
That crow's mine. Watch this rocket.
Incoming, move!
Oh, come on. Dropping it. Move.
Another egg in the basket,
I'm on your tail, Crow. Hand it over.
Not today.
Cross the bridge. They're pushing hard.
It's in. Let's
Victory! Y'all got cooked.
You're...
Hey, thief!
Got it. I'm out.
After him! Bring back our eggs! That's our clutch, thief!
Not anymore.
My size clearly indicates superiority in every metric. My beak is bigger than your whole body. Clearly superior.
Size doesn't matter, Slowpoke. I'm faster than you can even see.
Your DPS is trash, Big Beak.
Both of you are clueless. Watch the replay.
Bird Game 3. The Robin is here. We're all... Bird Game 3. The Robin is here.
We're all
The meta is completely broken. You can't just dive like that.
I got the highest APM. It's clearly your fault, Tank.
Both of you are trash. This game needs balancing.